Three, two, one, go!
There's a little maker inside of all of us, and being able to see the results, be able to be creative and engage, that's part of what makes a good engineer.
It was really interesting for me. I had only seen little bits and pieces of programming and robotics before, and never had hands-on. And it was really nice to actually get in there and actually try it out.
I've found in my previous experience that anything and everything education-wise that you can get your hands on, you should probably go for it.
What we're trying to do is encourage veterans coming out of the military to pursue a STEM academic career and a future career as a STEM professional, particularly in engineering and engineering technology.
The workshop was basic programming, learning the different types of robotics that we had to use, and 3D printing to actually print out the little parts that we were going to use to make our own robots that walked.
In a simple robot like this, we can see advanced kinematics, we can see engineering design, we can see electronics, we can see programming. There's all sorts of engineering disciplines that go into making and building a robot. We bring in faculty from engineering technology, we bring in faculty from mechanical engineering with expertise in robotics, electrical engineering, material scientists. We all come together for the purpose of just teaching these students how they can develop and create something this cool.
I definitely learned something. I did not know pretty much anything about electronics when it came to circuit boards, and I basically knew the basics of positive, negative, and don't get those mixed up on your car battery. So
we found that by engaging them in this type of activity, it leads them to start asking questions regarding what can I do with this? Where can I go with this? And what kind of engineer could I really become?
Dr. Dean has really gone above and beyond for the rest of us veterans alike, and until this program recently, I haven't really got a chance to meet other veterans, and it was, from what I've seen, it's very supportive.
Veterans are coming to college in increasing numbers, but they lack a lot of times the math and science background that's necessary for a successful college career.
I think ODU is really tailored toward helping veterans. Like I've been struggling in one of my classes, and they have tutors specifically to help in that specific class, specifically for veterans. So that was really nice. I'd recommend anyone that is even remotely interested in going to a university to come check out ODU, especially veterans.